guys, we're in Bruges now. I'm just going to show you what I see out the window. We're all very excited. Do you guys want to say hi? Yeah. Hello. Woo! Bruges! So, yeah. Ooh, I'm standing up on the bus. It's dangerous. But I will show you when we get to the Beer Fest and the Belfry Tower and everything else we see. I hope you're so excited. I am. Totally. That what it's called? Yes, I believe so. So we're in Bruges and it's sunny. This is the first time I've worn my sunglasses since I've arrived in Europe. So it's super exciting. Now we're all just trying to find our way to the center of the city. There's everybody. Yay. We're all so excited to see the sun. That's not a good look. So we're in Bruges now. We're gonna go get something to eat, and then we're gonna go to that tower right up there where the Beer Fest is. And if you've seen the movie In Bruges, I'm sure you recognize it. So yeah, I'll see you again. Probably drinking some brewskis. Pretty excited. So yeah, see you then. Hey, I'm in Beer Fest in Bruges right now. It is so exciting. I've got my glass and 4 tokens. So we're gonna have 4 beers to start off, and then we're gonna. You wanna say hello?
Hey,
say
so
hi,
nice.
Canada.
It's Canada.
Yeah.
Hey, I've been to Toronto.
Awesome.
Toronto. Torchon Bay. I've been there.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's great. Okay.
So awesome.
We'll
enjoy your beers. Ciao.
Okay, this is me with my first beer in Belgium. I'm gonna take my first drink on camera. It's good. It's a light beer. It's quite hoppy, but I like it, and I'll keep you updated on all of the beers. So this is my second beer. It's Bruges Blonde. So far, I'm really liking it. It's pretty tasty. You got to see this big pink elephant.
There's no like blaring music, it's just drinking and drinking.
Hold on, I'm going to ask everybody if they're enjoying themselves. Are you guys having fun?
All the fun.
All of the fun.
All the fun.
I wasn't. Are you having fun? So good!
I bought in 12.
This is the third beer. This is at Rodolphe Jacob.
Gotta be round 1 and then I'll reload.
Right there. I haven't tried it yet.
Stella commercial, and it's like on a conveyor belt.
Look at her drinking.
And then they fill it up, and they like.
I like it.
You know.
I can't describe the taste, but I think it tastes
And then at the very
What's
end,
it called?
the lady kisses the glass.
Brown ale.
Stella.
Do you like yours?
So pretty. I love it.
Yeah, I think we have the same one, but
And
it's pretty good.
Do you like yours, Kyle?
Mine's extremely sweet. It's apple.
Oh, right.
Yeah. I didn't know.
I like fruity.
Which one did you get?
Here, try this one.
What do you have?
No, I think
Double espresso.
I had it.
Oh, how is it?
Lizzie had it, yeah.
It's really. It's okay.
Okay.
It's not the best, though. Like.
This is beer number 3. It's Orval. I got it right over there. It's a light beer. It tastes kind of hoppy to me, but I don't know much about beer. So, yeah, so far, so good. It's awesome here. I post videos on YouTube for my family and friends to see. You want to say hello? Hello. Where are you from? England. Say hello, Canada.
Hi, Canada. We're from the
Hi,
UK.
Canada.
Okay, so this is my 3rd beer, or 5th beer. It is Craig. It's a cherry beer. It's delicious. Not as sweet as the other girls. The other girls tried it earlier. It's not as sweet here. I like it a lot. We met someone from Quebec, which was awesome. And so far, everything's great.
Are you gonna try it?
No, I'm not. I want you guys to try it, and I'm gonna
Not a good
vlog
idea.
it. Okay, so they're drinking liqueur that
kind
is
of the
made
best idea.
from beer.
And you bake it from the beer?
Yeah, we distill it from the beer, and then we add flavors.
Okay, so that is liquor distilled from the beer, and then they add
Do a lot of
flavor.
breweries do this?
No.
No?
This is a very unique thing that they do.
So it's your thing.
Everybody else does.
Here we are.
Cheers.
First thought,
Everybody else does.
how is it?
Good.
That's pretty good.
Good?
It's like a rumble mint mixed with a.
It's really sweet.
That's not bad.
Okay, they loved it. It's awesome. So far, so good. I still have a few tokens to go, and I'm hoping to go to the top of the bell fry before it closes. It's only like 2:30. You want to be in it? Say hello. People see me filming and talking to myself, so then they wave. So I turn the camera around and they wave to you. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. Talk soon. Cheers! Woo! It's good. I like it. Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get another one.
This is beer number 6. I don't know what it is. Do you remember what it is?
Your beer? Lesage.
Yeah. Lesage.
Lesage. Did you get the bitter or
The bitter, I think.
the bitter's good? That's what I have.
So
I don't know what it is.
so far. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Say cheers. Say hello, Canada.
Oh, no, definitely not.
Hello. Cheers to Canada. Yeah. Yeah. To the Commonwealth.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Hello, Canada.
Okay.
Sorry.
Hello, Canada.
Hello, Canada. Having a good time? A good time at the Bruges Beer Festival.
Go.
Hello, Canada.
So I'm currently on the hunt for beer number 7. It's actually crazy. We're trying to get through, and it's absolutely ridiculous. Right now we're following Lizzie. There's so many people. It's so cool. It's like shoulder to shoulder. Everyone is here. There's people from every different country. It's absolutely amazing. Where are you from? Where are you from?
Spain.
Spain! Oh, they're from Spain! Excuse me, where are you from?
Here.
You're from Bruges?
Yes.
Oh, are you all from Bruges?
Take you a picture.
No, this is a video. It's a video. Say hi, Canada.
Now I'm gonna be famous.
Say hello to Canada.
Bonjour, Canada.
Where are you from?
Spain.
Oh, they're from Spain too. So many people from Spain. Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy. Germany. Don't say there's people from everywhere. I'm from Canada. Everyone's laughing at us, but it's okay because it's super awesome. We're on our hunt for a sour beer right now. We're at 43 and we need to go to 24. So hopefully we... Oh, there's my friend. Say hello.
How are you?
Say hi.
Hi.
It's a video. He took a video for us earlier. He is a famous photographer. So we're on our way. I'll show you when we get our sour beers. So we finally have our sour beers. It's good. What's your name?
It's exclusive.
Say hello.
It's exclusive.
Say hello to Canada.
Wait. Hello to Canada. Cheers.
What's your name?
Eric.
It's a video. It's a video. Sorry. Oh, it's okay.
It's okay.
Cheers. Thank you.
I'm already in Canada for the moment.
This is beer number
She likes
7.
sour beer.
Sour beer. It's delicious. We love it.
It's a lambic beer. It's a lambic beer from the Timmermans Brewery, and in fact, lambic is like the oldest beer in the world because it's made from spontaneous fermentation. Before there was, I don't know the word in English actually, but it's the oldest beer in the world.
Thank you so much. Okay, I've lost count of the beer. It's a video. It's a video. I've lost count of the beers.
You're on number 8, Annie.
This is Ronde Bach. It's Annie. B5 of Annie. It's good. I like it.
Apple Annie.
I think Apple Annie. I think I love all beer at this point. Every beer is good. I'll see you later. love Bruges. I love Bruges. Bruges, 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 Bruges.
Bruges is an amazing place. I need to go pee so bad though, so I'm gonna go
on
right now.
number 8.
I'm beating you, that's nice.
Okay, Bruges, this is beer number 8. And we love it so much. Drinking a dark beer. If you want to know what kind it is, go look at my album on Facebook. Look at the belfry. OMG. Guys, Ken jumps off that thing. He jumps off that thing. You want to say hello? Everyone looks at me like I'm crazy when I talk to you, but I don't care. I love you anyways. But yeah, that's from In Bruges, the movie. Check it out. It goes all the way. Oh, your friends want to say hello. Yeah, they all love you. Did you see them? They were calling me crazy because I'm talking to you. I don't think it's crazy. I think it's awesome. So, oh my gosh, this is me. That's the Belfry Tower. I'm in Bruges.
Dress up as a sheep.
Hi, Canada.
Hey Canada! I love maple syrup.
We love maple syrup.
And
Go.
Thank you.
Avril Lavigne.
Avril Lavigne.
Bryan Adams.
I'm not from Canada, so I'm just laughing at what you're saying.
I can't think of anyone famous from Canada apart from Avril Lavigne and Bryan Adams.
Celine Dion. My hair will go on.
That's nothing to be proud of. That's
The
terrible.
world, Celine Dion.
She's great. Are you American?
Thank you.
Hanging out with a Canadian.
Yeah, you know. We sometimes do.
Yeah, I know. We've all been there.
Hey.
This is my best man and he's Scottish.
This is a video.
The video.
Put it on yourself. Put it on
I mean-
yourself.
Tell him to take a pic.
Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, now.
For YouTube.
Say hi to Canada.
Hello, Canada.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, Canada. We love.
What's your favorite beer?
Belgian beer.
Belgian beer.
We all love Belgium
Yeah, I know.
so much.
Hey, I'm home from Bruges, and my phone is dead. I got really lost for the first time in France. It sucked a lot. I've never been that lost in my life. I think that's the most lost I've ever been. Luckily, I stumbled upon this Algerian wedding, and I met 2 women that drove me home, a mother and a daughter, and they just kept telling me how dangerous it was to be alone where I was. So the moral of the story is Annie never walks home alone, but I did receive this beautiful gift of Algerian wedding cake. I can't believe they gave it to me. I've said no so many times. But they gave it to me anyways, and they drove me home. I was like in tears, thanking them for myself and like for my parents because yeah, they just kept telling me how dangerous it was for me to be there. So it's not a big deal. Don't worry, I'm safe now. I hope you don't get mad at me. But yeah, I just want to show you these cakes that they gave me because I have to show them. Look at it. Oh, it's so beautiful. And then there's that. And that beautiful square. And it all came in this incredible box. Yeah, in that beautiful box. And there's glitter all over my computer now. It was amazing. I don't know. I don't have anything else to say. I just know that like the karma that they put out to me needs to be returned. So yeah, man, they just saved my life, I think. It was such a great day. I hope you love the vlog, and yeah, I don't even know if I'm gonna put this up. I feel super silly now, and there's glitter all over my computer. But if I do, I hope you like it. Good night.